presenter, good to see you. We've gathered some friends together here to give you a special message on your special day. First, we have 3 words that describe you.
Pride. You took care of Illinois as if you owned it.
Relation. You are friendly, funny, and helpful.
Flexible. You did many things without being asked and without complaining.
We think you deserve this award because you took care of our building, helped keep us safe, and had strong relationships with staff and students. You were an important part of our school family.
We think the biggest accomplishment is just being you. Some custodians just do the work, but you wore many hats. You even were a teacher when you helped us build our birdhouses for our school.
You set the bar for custodial excellence. We miss you. Congratulations.
I was overjoyed when I found out I was receiving this award. Working for the Pulaski Community School District has led me to where I am today. I would like to thank Peggy Goddard, Dan Sakat, and the staff at Lenoy Elementary. I would also like to thank the Sparta Area School District for giving me the opportunity to work for their amazing school district. Some advice I would have is we are all here for the community, and the best way to get things done is working hard as a team.